Hey guys, welcome back. Today is for the video you've all been waiting for, and it's the giveaway video. Before I start, please excuse this mess. I just got out of the shower because I went and worked out. I was in a rush to do my makeup, and I was just like, you know what, we're just gonna keep it like this, but it's really crazy and I'm sorry, okay? I still have one thing in the mail, and I'm also gonna include this little gift I'm getting in the mail because I don't need it. But I'm sure you guys will find it useful, but I'll get to that in a minute. Let's just go ahead and tell you what's in this giveaway. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below if you like this video. So, the first thing I'm going to be giving away is one of my favorite brush brands. It's the 6-piece Day to Night 6-piece Day to Night collection. 5 brushes for a natural to bold look. And it's just these 5 brushes. And this is actually like a makeup case that comes with it as well. This little thingy-mabobber. And I love Eco Tools brushes. I actually have some in here. Ooh, red one. I love these. I don't know if I have any more of eye brushes, and I don't know where the rest of the face brushes are. But I think Eco Tools is a great brand. So I figured this would be a good thing to include in the giveaway. Since I'm kind of limited, I obviously can't give like foundation. So we're kind of limited to what we can give away, but I was trying my best. The next thing is this Lash Paradise from L'Oreal, which if y'all watch Tati, she raves about this all the time. I have actually not tried it, and honestly, I feel like it's comparable to the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Like, coincidence? So I think you guys will really like this. I was gonna get like the Essence one, but they were sold out. So this one is a really good drugstore one, and I think you guys will get some good use out of it. Next, we have an Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lip in the shade Vamp. So this is the shade right here. Hopefully you can see that. Obviously, I'm not going to swatch it for you guys, but it's just a nice deep red color. You can look it up online though. It's the shade Vamp. I don't know. Hopefully it like focused in on this. But I think it'll be a really pretty color. I have one similar to it, but I don't have this exact one. Then we have this Laura Geller New York eyeshadow palette. I actually got this in a set, and I never did end up using it. And I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes, so I don't really need it. I love Laura Geller, though. The products I did try out that I got in that little package, I really liked. Specifically, her baked blush. I think that is absolutely amazing. So check that out. But here is the eyeshadow palette. It is super pretty. I love the pinky shades in it, honestly. I just feel like, you know, I'd rather give it to you guys. I have a lot of eyeshadow. I just ordered some more eyeshadow, actually. So, you know, like this one can be for you guys. Then we got some Ardell lashes, the Double Up Demi Wispies. These are like one of my favorite pairs of lashes to use for like a very dramatic look. Now I have on the regular Wispies right now. As you can see, it's pretty nice, like the length and everything, but these are just like more voluminous, I guess would be the word. And they're really nice. Hopefully whoever wins this likes fake lashes, but yeah, these are my favorite. Then we have Holy Girl products for me. We have the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter and the Makeup Revolution Matte Blush. This is literally my go-to blush. It's literally $5. It's so good. This is one of my go-to highlighters. They both are so pretty, guys. And I'm telling you, whoever wins this, once they try this out, they're going to fall in love with it if they have not tried it yet. So those are going in the giveaway as well. And then we have a Givenchy lipstick. I'll show you the color. Hopefully you can see that. I have another lipstick from them. It came in a set. I just have a lot of like coral shades like this, and I don't really need it, and I haven't used it, so I figured we'll throw this in the giveaway as well. And you know, Givenchy, that's not luxury brand. I can tell you the one I did use, although I didn't end up using it for one look that I did record because the color was off. It was a different, I don't know. It did feel really good on the lips, and I have worn it after that whole color incident, and I really do like it. So I hope you guys like this one. It is in a mini size, but you'll still get a lot of use out of it. Like, it's so cute. We have this Tarte Pro Glitter Liner It is two-sided and it is in the shade Rose Gold. Now I already have a Stila liquid, what was I trying to say? Oh, liquid eyeshadow in this shade. So I figure I have two other liners from them. This also came in the set. I also haven't used them yet. So I figure like I can give this to somebody because I really don't need it. I have two other ones that I can use. I think it's absolutely stunning. Yeah, this side is glitter, and then this side, I guess you would just put this on first as your liner. If you really wanted to, you can use it as eyeshadow too. And then this side, you would just go over top with the glitter. So, yeah. And the last thing that has not came in the mail, but is supposed to be coming tomorrow, is the BH Cosmetics Shanna 18 color eyeshadow and lipstick palette. I think this is so pretty. First of all, I love BH Cosmetics. Like, I think two of my favorite eyeshadow palettes are from them. I love their liquid lips. And yeah, this palette is super pretty. I'm just gonna leave it up here. Hopefully my hands will be on point to show you guys this. But it is really pretty. And even though I have not tried that actual eyeshadow, I literally, the BH Cosmetics palette from Carly Bible, I love this palette. Like, I literally fell in love. I also have another BH Cosmetics palette with like 120 shades in it. Rock right here. I love it. So I hope you guys love it too, because that is another eyeshadow palette you guys can have along with the Laura Geller one. So that is what I am giving away. Hopefully you guys are now like, oh my god, how do I enter? Okay, so this is how you enter. I'm going to leave a link down below to the website called Gleam, but the link will take you directly to my competition. The only thing on that website that says is required is to subscribe to my channel. However, if you are already subscribed to my channel, don't worry about it. I have a way of checking who is subscribing, so make sure you are subscribed if you want to enter this giveaway. Also, I am requiring that you guys like, follow me on my Instagram. I always leave it down in my description box. It is Samantha with 3 A's on the end and JT. But I will leave my name down below. You must be following me on Instagram. And the picture that I do post on my Instagram of all of this stuff, you have to repost that and tag 2 people in it to get this giveaway entry. So even if you get the mandatory entry of subscribing to my channel on Gleam, because it is mandatory, you have to also do those things. Like, if you do not do those things, but it still selects you as a winner, I'm just going to move on to the next person. So you must do that. This competition is running for 14 days. It will be done on the 15th, I believe, because it's already February 1st. And yeah, so I think that is all the information you need to know. Probably I'll do another giveaway. If this one goes really good, I'll do another one when I reach 1,000 subscribers, which will be a big, big mark for me. And I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much. I love doing this. I love meeting new people. And I've loved everybody that I've met so far that's reached out to me. And thank you guys so much for the support. And yeah, so I will see you all in my next one.